Today, I want to talk about how to improve your English speaking. English is a very important language. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. So, how can you improve your English speaking? First, you need to practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, your family, your teacher, or even practice. You can talk to yourself in English, saying simple phrases like, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. Second, listen to English every day. Listening is very important. When you listen, you learn new words, how to pronounce them, and how to construct sentences. You can listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to English radio, or watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English by going to places where they speak it and learning from them. Third, read English books. Reading is excellent for learning English. When you read, you learn new words and how to form sentences. You can start with easy books, children's books, newspapers, or magazines. Read anything you can in English. Reading out loud helps improve your speaking, and you can also read with a friend, taking turns reading to each other. Fourth, write in English. Writing is another good way to learn English. When you write, you practice creating sentences. You can write a diary in English, jotting down what you did each day, or write letters to your friends. Emails or stories in English also help. When writing, try using new words to expand your vocabulary. Fifth, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes them. When you make a mistake, you learn. You can ask your teacher, friends, or family for help, and they will guide you on how to say things correctly. Don't be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. Sixth, think in English. His is very important. When you think in English, you speak better. Start with small things. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." When you're hungry, think, "I am hungry." If you practice thinking in English, speaking becomes easier. Seventh, learn new words every day. The more words you know, the more you can say. Use a dictionary to look up new words, write them in a notebook, and try to use them in sentences to remember them better. Eighth, speak slowly. Speaking slowly makes it easier to pronounce words correctly, and it's easier for people to understand you. Don't rush. Think about what you want to say, then speak slowly and clearly. Ninth, join an English class. Taking a class is very helpful. In a class, you can learn new words, sentence structures, and practice speaking with your classmates. Your teacher can answer any questions you have and help you improve. 10th, have fun. Learning English should be fun. When you enjoy it, you will want to learn more. Play games in English, sing English songs, watch funny movies, and talk to your friends in English. Doing fun things in English makes learning better. 11th, use technology. Today, we have many tools to help us learn English. Use apps on your phone to practice speaking, learn new words, and work on pronunciation. The internet is also full of resources like websites, YouTube videos, and online courses. 12. Make English speaking friends. Having friends who speak English helps you practice. They can correct your mistakes, teach you new words, and introduce you to their culture. It's a fun way to learn how English is spoken in different. 13th, watch English news. Watching the news helps you learn new words and hear how people speak in different situations. You can watch the news on TV or the internet. It's a good way to improve your English. 14th, join an English speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet to practice speaking English. You can meet new people and practice your speaking in a relaxed environment. 15th, travel to English-speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak English to communicate in hotels, restaurants, and shops. You will also meet new people and experience new cultures. 16th, use flashcards. Flashcards are a great way to learn new words. Write the word on one side and its meaning on the other. Review them daily and practice saying the words out loud. 17th, record yourself speaking. This allows you to hear your mistakes and work on correcting them. Ask your friends or teacher to listen to your recordings and give feedback. 18th, mimic native speakers. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will help you sound more natural when speaking English. 19th, read aloud. Reading aloud helps you practice pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. It's a very good way to improve your speaking skills. 20th, practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with helps both of you. You can correct each other's mistakes, learn from each other, and practice real conversations. 21st, use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror helps you see your facial expressions and mouth movements while speaking. This visual feedback can help improve. 22nd, participate in online forums. Online forums are a great place to practice writing in English. You can join discussions, ask questions, and read comments from others to improve your vocabulary and writing. 23rd, write scripts for conversations. Writing scripts for practice helps you prepare for different situations. You can write down what you want to say, practice it, and feel more confident. 24th, learn about different cultures. Understanding the cultures of English-speaking countries helps you learn how people communicate and use English in various contexts. 25th, set goals. Setting small goals keeps you motivated. For example, learning 5 new words each day or practicing speaking for 10 minutes can help you improve steadily. 26th, reward yourself. When you reach your goals, reward yourself. It will keep you motivated and make learning English more fun. 27th, be patient. Learning a new language takes time. Be patient with yourself. You won't become fluent overnight, but with consistent practice, you will get better. 28. Use English in your daily life. Incorporate English into your everyday tasks. Write your shopping lists, take notes, or even talk to your pets in English. This will help you improve over time. 29. Find a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner can help you practice English while you help them learn your language. This way, both of you can benefit from the exchange. 30. Join online language learning communities. There are many online platforms dedicated to language learning. By joining these, you can connect with others who are also learning English. This creates opportunities to practice speaking, ask questions, and share useful tips. The diverse feedback from fellow learners and native speakers in such communities can greatly enhance your progress. 31st, take advantage of language exchange apps. Many language exchange apps allow you to connect with native English speakers. These apps often have features for voice and video calls, which are perfect for real-time speaking practice. Additionally, the built-in tools for language correction can help you fine-tune your skills and improve faster. 32nd, practice pronunciation. English pronunciation can be challenging due to inconsistencies in spelling and pronunciation. Focus on mimicking the pronunciation of native speakers. Break words down syllable by syllable, practice them slowly, and gradually increase speed as you gain confidence. 33rd, learn common phrases and expressions. Instead of memorizing isolated words, focus on learning commonly used phrases and expressions. This will make your speech sound more natural and give you a better understanding of how English is used in real-world conversations. 34th, immerse yourself in English media. Exposure to English language media such as films, podcasts, and music is key to improving comprehension and speaking skills. Pay attention to different accents, slang, and conversational rhythms to expand your listening abilities and speaking fluency. 35th, take note of your progress. Track your improvement regularly by recording yourself speaking or journaling in English. Acknowledge both small and large milestones to stay motivated. Reflect on areas where you've grown and those that still need work. 36th, attend English speaking events and workshops. These events offer practical, immersive experiences in speaking English. Participating in discussions and interacting with native speakers will not only boost your confidence but also refine your conversational skills in a real-world context. 37th, focus on fluency over accuracy. While accuracy is important in formal contexts, when practicing conversational English, prioritize fluency. Don't hesitate to make mistakes. The more you speak, the more fluid and natural your speech will become. 38th, practice speaking in different situations. Try speaking English in varied contexts, whether it's ordering at a restaurant, making a phone call, or delivering a presentation. This will help you become versatile in your usage and increase your comfort in different situations. 39th, get feedback from native speakers. Feedback from fluent or native English speakers is invaluable. They can help pinpoint specific areas for improvement, such as pronunciation, grammar, or phrasing and offer suggestions for refining your skills. 40. Stay motivated and persistent. Mastering English takes time and consistent effort. Stay patient with yourself, set achievable goals, and recognize that progress, no matter how small, is key to long-term success. Enjoy the process of learning and keep striving towards fluency.